Such a weird car.
Okay, this is an Alfaholics engine, that's right. Everybody loves those. Everybody loves those. And it's running very nicely now, watch. It just turns on and works. Oh, there we go. Idle's nice. All the little drips and leaks are taken care of. Everybody's happy. Everybody's home. And it has the nicest throttle response. Just idles beautiful and isn't that lovely? She is ready to go in the car. We got just a tick over 3 hours on this sweet baby. She is broken in and ready for hot rodding. Awesome.